Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing audio routing so you can capture Mainstage's output cleanly. Connect Mainstage to Logic using an aggregate device or IAC driver in Audio MIDI setup. This gives Logic a discrete input. Next, create an external instrument or audio track in Logic and set its input to the Mainstage channel. Disable Logic's software monitoring, otherwise you'll get latency or feedback, and instead monitor through Mainstage or hardware. Once done, you're ready to patch channels and set levels. Now configure channels and levels to preserve tonal quality and dynamic range. Map each Mainstage channel strip to the corresponding Logic input. Pick stereo for synths or individual mono for mic/guitar channels, so you can edit separately later. Set gain staging by trimming Mainstage and Logic faders so peaks sit near -12 to -6 dB. This gives headroom for plugins and mastering. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match across apps, for example 48 kHz and 24-bit. Once tracks are armed, do a quick test take. Hit record in Logic and perform through Mainstage while monitoring levels. Use punch-in for overdubs so you capture precise parts. After recording, consolidate or comp takes and consider freezing tracks if the CPU struggles. That reduces real-time plugin load. Bounce in place or export stems to share or mix. If you get silence, check your aggregate device or IAC routing first, confirm Logic inputs match Mainstage outputs, and ensure you're recording audio, not just MIDI. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.